Hello viewers, now we are going to see the part A question of unit 2, that is design of experiments. In the previous video we have seen 6 questions. Now the continuity of this, what is meant by tolerance limit. In quality control means whether to accept or reject the limiting values between which measurements must lie if an article is to be acceptable as distinct from confidence limits. The limits may be 1% or 5% or 10%. Whether it is acceptable or not, that is called the tolerance limit. Then the next question, what is a completely randomized design? This is otherwise called one-way classification. Completely randomized design are the simplest in which the treatments are assigned to the experimental unit completely at random. This allows every experimental unit to have an equal probability. This is very important. We have to take it at random and it has a equal probability. Then explain the advantages of a Latin square design. Latin square design have three-way. It is also called three-way classification. In this we have to find for columns, for rows, for treatments, for residuals in the ANOVA table. See that the analysis is simple. It's only slightly more complicatedly that for the randomized complete block design. Also, the analysis remains relatively simple comparing with one-way and two-way. It is very simple. Even with missing data, also we can find whether to accept or reject. Analytical procedures are available for omitting one or more treatments, rows or columns. With the missing data also we can say whether it has to accept or reject. Then what are the basic elements of an completely randomized experimental design? Here they are asking what is the basic elements. For the one-way classification, the term one-way classification refers to the fact that a single variable factor, here we are going to take only single, whether it may be a row or it will be a column, that of interest is controlled and the effects on the other units is observed. Means only one variable we are going to see, then we have to find the error. So others are observed, that's all. Then manipulate the basic principles of the design of experiments. In the design of experiments, what are the basic principles? There are three basic principles of the experimental design. There are, first one is randomization, another one is replication, that is repetition, the another one is local control or error control. These three are the basic: repetition, randomization, then error control. We can see in the next video. Thank you.